Thinking about starting a financial advisory business? Congratulations! You're on the path to becoming your own boss and helping others achieve their financial goals. Starting a business in this field can be both rewarding and challenging, but with the right knowledge and strategies, you can set yourself up for success. In this blog post, we will explore the ins and outs of starting a financial advisory business, from weighing the pros and cons to marketing your services effectively. So grab a cup of coffee or tea, and let's dive into the exciting world of financial advising. The pros and cons of starting a financial advisory business. Pros and cons are the yin and yang of any business venture, and starting a financial advisory business is no exception. Let's start with the pros. One major advantage is the potential for high earnings. As a financial advisor, you have the opportunity to make a significant income by providing valuable services to clients who are willing to pay for your expertise. Another pro is the sense of fulfillment that comes from helping others achieve their financial goals. By offering sound advice and guidance, you can make a positive impact in people's lives, helping them secure their future and navigate through complex financial decisions. Flexibility is yet another perk of starting a financial advisory business. You have the freedom to set your own schedule, choose your clients, and work from anywhere with an internet connection. This level of autonomy allows you to strike a healthy work-life balance that suits your personal needs. However, it's essential to consider some potential drawbacks as well before taking the plunge into this industry. Building trust with clients takes time and effort in order to establish yourself as a reliable advisor who has their best interests at heart. Additionally, regulatory compliance can be quite demanding in the financial advisory field. Staying up to date with ever-changing regulations may require additional resources such as continuous education courses or hiring compliance professionals. Starting any business involves risk, including financially. It may take time before you start seeing substantial profits from your efforts. Therefore, having sufficient savings or alternative sources of income during this initial phase is crucial. While there are challenges associated with starting a financial advisory business, there are also numerous advantages that can outweigh them if approached strategically and diligently. How to start a financial advisory business? Starting a financial advisory business can be an exciting and lucrative venture. However, it requires careful planning and preparation to ensure success. Here are some key steps to consider when starting your own financial advisory business. It is important to determine your niche within the financial advisory industry. Are you specializing in retirement planning, investment management, estate planning? By identifying your area of expertise, you can better target your marketing efforts and attract clients who are looking for the specific services you offer. Next, obtaining the necessary licenses and certifications is crucial. Depending on where you live, there may be specific requirements for becoming a licensed financial advisor. Research the regulations in your jurisdiction and take any necessary exams or courses to become certified. In addition to being qualified, building a solid client base is essential for success as a financial advisor. Networking within professional circles such as local chambers of commerce or industry associations can help generate leads. Utilize social media platforms like LinkedIn to connect with potential clients and establish yourself as an expert in your field. Don't underestimate the power of ongoing education in this ever-evolving industry. Stay updated on changes in tax laws or investment trends that could impact your clients' finances. Continuously improving knowledge through seminars or professional development courses will keep you competitive in this field. Remember that starting a financial advisory business takes time and dedication. However, if done right, it can lead to long-term success, helping individuals achieve their financial goals. What services to offer as a financial advisor? As a financial advisor, there are various services you can offer to your clients to help them achieve their financial goals. One of the most common services is investment advice. This involves analyzing your client's financial situation and risk tolerance, and then recommending suitable investment options such as stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Another service you can provide is retirement planning. Many individuals need assistance in preparing for their golden years and ensuring they have enough savings to live comfortably during retirement. As a financial advisor, you can help your clients create a personalized retirement plan that takes into account factors like income sources, expenses, and desired lifestyle. Additionally, insurance planning is an important service that financial advisors offer. Whether it's life insurance, health insurance, or property insurance, helping clients choose the right coverage based on their needs and budget can provide them with peace of mind. Estate planning is another area where financial advisors play a vital role. By working closely with estate attorneys or tax professionals, you can assist clients in creating wills or trusts to ensure smooth asset transfer after their passing. Debt management counseling is becoming increasingly important as more people struggle with managing debt effectively. Providing guidance on strategies for paying off debts efficiently and improving credit scores can be immensely valuable for your client's overall financial well-being. By offering these comprehensive services as a financial advisor, you position yourself as a trusted partner who caters to all aspects of your client's finances, from investments to retirement planning, insurance coverage, estate planning, and debt management. This holistic approach not only helps build long-term relationships but also sets you apart from competitors in the industry. How to market your financial advisory business. When it comes to marketing your financial advisory business, there are several strategies you can employ to attract clients and build a strong reputation. One of the first steps is to create a professional website that showcases your services and expertise. Make sure your website is user-friendly and optimized for search engines so that potential clients can find you easily. In addition to having a strong online presence, networking plays a crucial role in marketing your business. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and actively engage with others in the field. Building relationships with other professionals not only increases referrals but also enhances credibility. Utilize digital advertising platforms such as Google Ads or Facebook Ads to target specific demographics and increase visibility for your business. Consider offering free consultations or workshops as a way to attract new clients while showcasing your expertise. Don't underestimate the power of client testimonials and reviews. Encourage satisfied clients to leave feedback on platforms like Google My Business or LinkedIn, which can help build trust with potential clients. By implementing these marketing strategies consistently, you can effectively promote your financial advisory business and grow your client base over time without sounding repetitive about it. Starting a financial advisory business can be a challenging yet rewarding endeavor. It offers the opportunity to provide valuable guidance and support to individuals and businesses seeking to achieve their financial goals. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before diving in. On the positive side, starting a financial advisory business allows for flexibility in terms of working hours and location. You have the chance to build strong relationships with clients, offering them personalized advice tailored to their specific needs. Additionally, there is potential for significant income growth as your client base expands. However, there are also challenges that come with running a financial advisory business. Building trust with clients takes time and effort. The industry is highly regulated, requiring you to stay updated on changing laws and regulations. Competition can be fierce as well, so it's crucial to differentiate yourself from other advisors. To start your own financial advisory business, follow these steps. 1. Obtain necessary certifications. Research the requirements in your country or region for becoming a licensed financial advisor. This may include completing specific courses or exams. 2. Define your target market. Determine who you want to serve as clients, whether it's retirees looking for retirement planning assistance or young professionals seeking investment advice. 3. Develop your service offerings. Decide what services you will offer as an advisor based on your expertise and target market's needs, such as investment management, retirement planning, tax strategies, or estate planning. 4. Crafting a business plan. Outline your short-term and long-term goals along with marketing strategies that will help attract clients. 5. Building credibility. Enhance your professional reputation by networking within the industry through events or joining relevant associations like CFP Board or NAPFA, National Association of Personal Financial Advisors. 6. Marketing your business. Utilize online channels including social media platforms, such as LinkedIn, creating informative blog posts around finance topics, hosting webinars, etc. as part of an effective marketing strategy. Remember, starting a financial advisory business requires dedication, continuous learning, and adaptability.